NC-SIML is now able to read GDML, or Geometry Description Markup Language files from Machining Cloud, or as they call them, 3D Live format. This format, based on XML structure, makes it possible to describe all elements necessary for the operation of a digital twin machine, either in the programming or simulation software. A GDML file can contain the definition of a machine kinematics with its axes, spindles, tables, limits, minimum and maximum feeds, and graphic objects. A GDML file can also contain the definition of a setup with elements such as a stock, part, stationary fixtures, and movable ones too with kinematics. And finally, a GDML file can contain the definition of a tool assembly with its holder, extensions, and cutting elements. Today, the multi-vendor catalog of Machining Cloud offers more than 9,000 items in this format. The NC Motion application from NC-SIML, which allows you to build the machine's kinematics, can now import a machine-type GDML file. This function makes it possible to retrieve the definition of the complete kinematic chain from the floor to the spindle and tables, the axes with the directions and limits, the associated graphic elements, accessories, turrets, and even housing and logos. Using data provided by the machine builder, the machine digital twin will be directly accessible with the guarantee of using a perfect digital twin. It's also possible to export NC-SIML machines in this format to quickly share numerous machines across all the different softwares inside the Hexagon group. This feature allows the customer to have an identical digital twin in any of their specific softwares that they are using. Currently, Esprit TNG supports this format in read and write, and Radan supports this format in read-only.